Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Cardano from your Ledger Nano X to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're building your crypto portfolio or just need to move funds, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need your Ledger Nano X hardware wallet with the Cardano app installed and updated. Also, ensure your Kraken account is verified, and don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for added security. It's a must in the crypto world. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Cardano app on the device. This will allow you to access your Cardano wallet securely. Step 2. Log into your Kraken account on your web browser. Navigate to the Withdraw section and select Cardano as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Step 3. On your Ledger device, go to the Receive option in the Cardano app. This will display your Cardano wallet address. Carefully copy it down. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so double check for accuracy to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 4. Back on Kraken, paste the address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply. These fees can vary, so it's smart to check them first. Step 5. Review all the details one last time. Once you're confident, confirm the withdrawal on Kraken, and then approve it on your Ledger Nano X when prompted. This adds an extra layer of security. After that, the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, you can check your Kraken balance to verify the funds have arrived. Crypto can be exciting, but always prioritize safety. Never share your private keys and use strong passwords. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.